It smells like cats.
She likes you. Oh, your hair smells so good.
She hit her head.
Funny. Lay down, put your hair down, see if she likes your hair.
Mine. She doesn't like my hair. Wait.
Your hair's a little too short. Look at Brooke's hair. No, she only likes Elena. Lay down next to her, Elena.
It smells like cats.
Do you bathe in like dog
No,
food?
She has
Dog
cats
food
though.
treat?
She has cats.
Yeah, maybe that's. She likes you.
We need to send
That's
this
funny.
in. Hilarious. She could do this all day. It would amuse her.
That's funny.
It's like you take her. She's like stuck on your head at school. Sorry, she won't get off.
This is so funny.
She's just rubbing you on your head.
That's my forehead.
That's funny. Let me take a picture of her.